Hello artistic family, welcome back to today's pour. I'm really happy you guys are here, and for all of you who are new, thank you for stopping by. Oh my gosh guys, we're almost at 5,000 subbies. I cannot believe it. Let's keep pushing and getting there. Thank you so much for all your guys' continued support. I really appreciate it. It's been a rough year for me, and this makes me really happy doing what I love and having you guys part of the process. So thank you very much. So what I have here, guys, is an 8 by 20 inch canvas. It's a repour. I also have this Betty Crocker great silicone spatula that I've had for oodles, and you guys have never seen me use it, but I'm using it today. So what I've done is I've created it's just, I thought about it just from, watching different videos with balloons and different recipes. And again, just like with the pearl recipe, guys, I like to start from scratch and learn on my own. Because my philosophy is, you can create a great pour and you can buy paint and pick out great colors, but if you don't understand the products you're using, it really doesn't help you grow and learn. And so for me, the whole process is to learn and grow and enhance my skills and help you guys along the way. So I really like to play around individually, per se, with the different products rather than just taking a recipe and going for it. So that's just for me. Plus I like the challenge part of it, although it can be frustrating. So what I have here is some Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. I've added in a tiny bit of Bear. I've added in a bit of Glue Wall. I eyeballed this, guys, so when I say a bit, I'm just saying a bit. Like I could probably say it was roughly like an ounce of the Glue Wall and an ounce or two of the Bear. About an ounce of the Bear. I've got some Floetrol in here and the Artist Loft Flow Acrylic White. And then, of course, water to thin. I do have a stream, and then at the very end of the stream, it gives me a slight mound. So barely a mound at all. So it's just a little bit thicker because I'm doing the swipe, and my thought is that the glue wall, with its elasticity and the fact that it stretches, will allow me to get some really great lacing when I do my swipe. So that's my hope. If not, well, I'll keep playing around because I did get some lacing without any glue wall, just my Floetrol in the last swipe, and it turned out gorgeous with beautiful effects. So the colors I'm using today, guys, is Metallic Silver, Radiant Gold by Craftsmart, Artist Loft Bronze, and Acrylic Flow by Artist Loft Black. That is also going to be my swipe color. Oh, it's going to be so gorgeous with all these metallics. I've only done the white and the black and the gold, and that was beautiful. So adding in the bronze with the silver, I can't wait. These look great. But before I get started, guys, I just wanted to mention and give a shout out to a special artist by the name of Koehn Art. And I will link her stuff in the description for you guys to take a look. She is now part of the artistic family for the last few weeks. She is very sweet, and what compelled me to her was all of these fantastic comments she was leaving on a variety of videos, and they were very in-depth and personable, and I reached out and went over to her channel, and I was pleasantly surprised. She has a variety of different acrylic pours, but most recently, for the last little bit, she's been doing what she calls mini-series. And they're very short in length, about a minute up to 5 minutes, but the average ones are about a minute to 2 minutes. And she packs a punch in that little bit of time. She's got a really sweet, welcoming, speaking voice. And I really urge you guys to go over and show her some love. She has, her video content answers a lot of common questions that new people that are looking to become artists or professional artists or get into fluid art ask. And ones we've all thought of, including myself. And she answers them very short and sweet, and she gives you a lot of information in that short time. And the video that grabbed me was called Artist Chat, comparing yourself to other artists. And I just wanted to echo that really quickly, guys, so stick with me because I feel that this is really important and it will help you guys. But again, check that video out as well, because I will link that as well for you down in my video description along with her channel. But it's just talking about comparing yourself to other artists. And I know for a fact that several artists do unfortunately do that. And I've said this many times before in my videos, but we are all our own individual artists, guys. And it is going to be a detriment to your emotional, mental health, and to your progress and productivity as an artist to do that, because you're easily going to feel deflated when you're trying to compare yourself to a professional artist who has done this for years, who has had many fails, but you see all the great stuff online. And it's all about learning and practice, and you can't do well and move ahead without making mistakes or experimenting like I do all of the time. And sometimes they turn out and sometimes they don't, but each time it teaches me something, and then I can adjust and move on. But if you compare yourself, it's just not going to work, and that really hurts my heart, because I love this. It's a passion and I want to share it, and I think that joy should be shared. And you're not going to be very fulfilled if you're always looking to compare yourself, or you get inspired by an artist and then you try to duplicate what they do, which in fluid art, there is no duplicates anyways. And so if you try to emulate exactly what they do, then you're going to be disappointed regardless, because everyone has their own special technique, their own quirks, their own little things about every little thing they do. And I know that I'm taking a little bit of time saying this, guys, but again, I think it's really important. I'm sure many of you have had a lot of these different feelings and thoughts, and you can let me know in the comments if you've, compared yourself, or if you find it hard not to compare yourself with other artists. But all I can say is just do you, stay true to yourself, and be authentic, and you will create beautiful work because you'll love it and you'll be passionate and you'll find your own niche. Don't try to take somebody else's, and don't compare yourself to others. We all have our own strengths. We're all great in our own way. And just before I end this, guys, I just want to say, I always suggest, and my art philosophy is very aligned with Anna's, which is why I'm, supporting her and promoting her, because she touches on a lot of the things I do and how I feel. And in order for you to be confident and be a great artist, you need to have your self-worth and self-esteem with your work, and that won't happen if you compare yourself. So my suggestion is to watch a lot of artists. You can have as many favorites as you want, including me. But you can learn something from everybody, regardless of their subscriber count. That is not depictive of the quality of artist. So thank you for listening to me, guys. I really needed to get that out. I thought it was very important, and I hope you guys can take something away. I'm sure you will from Anna's channel as well. Again, go check her out. She's fantastic. All her links will be down in the description. So let's go ahead and get ready, guys. All right, so I've got this plastic plate here. Again, I keep these things very practical. They're reusable. And all I'm going to do is take my black cell mix, which is my swipe mix, and I'm just going to pour that in here in the center so that it's pretty easy for me to, I'm hoping it's easy, that's a long palette knife, to dip my gadget in there. So I'll just stretch that out. Okay, so that's going to be my swipe. And then my good old mixture here with a little bit of everything in it, but I really can't tell you exactly what the ratios are. Okay, guys, so let's get going. Whoa. 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 Oh my. Oh my. Yes, guys. Oh, let me get my torch. Where are you, torch? Oh, now I don't know if that was the glue, but you guys saw how fast those cells popped up. And these are absolutely gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I do kind of want a little bit more black to come around the sides here. Hubba, hubba, hubba. Artistic family. Wow. That turned out fabulous. I'm definitely going to have to play around again because I didn't have my ratios. I just threw some stuff together. But it turned out fabulous. The cells came in way faster, like immediately. And immediately, the lacing. Oh my gosh, guys. Just stunning. Black and white. I mean, this is why I love neutral metallics, but black and white, just two simple colors on their own, are so sophisticated and elegant. I love what's going on here with the bronze and the silver. I love this section here. I got so many cool effects, and I absolutely love the movement. Again, you guys cannot see all this shimmer. I'm hoping to capture some of it a little bit better in the close-up. But, oh, she's absolutely gorgeous. She's absolutely gorgeous, guys, and looks fantastic on this thin, narrow canvas that I love. Look at the wraparound there. Just beautiful. Every section, every single section, I love this. Everything. It just turned out so beautiful. So this is why you gotta experiment, guys. Like, I'm telling you, I always loved swipes, but I didn't swipe for cells. It was more for movement. Then once I got the Floetrol and I knew that was magic juice, I started playing around with some of the possibilities for the things that suit me, that I love. And of course, the cells and lacing, which are gorgeous, with the right composition and the right technique and the right pour, in my opinion. And I love lacing over anything. Lacing, I'm a sucker for it. And it brings so much interest and depth to the piece. But anyways, guys, thank you so much for your support. We're very close to hitting 5,000 subbies. So let's go ahead and do it. If you guys enjoyed this video, if you liked it, if you've taken anything away, I'd really appreciate a big thumbs up. It really does help the video grow, the channel grow. It helps the video and nonetheless the channel. And I really would appreciate it. Also, guys, make sure you go over to Anna Koehn's Art. The link's there in the description, and go ahead and give her some love. Until next time, guys, take care, and I will see you in the next pour.